लो उड़ान, छू लो आसमान, नए भारत की है नई पहचान।
Namaste. We, students of St. Xavier Senior Secondary School, Pantnagar Gonda, participating in Viksit Bharat Buildathon. We are here as Team Jal Rakshak Sena, presenting a technology that supports India's vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, a future where every drop of water is valued and every farmer thrives. In India, almost 60% agriculture depends on monsoon. Farmers often water crops either too much or too little, causing crop damage and wasting resources. Our project offers a smart solution, a small moisture indicator that helps farmer know exactly when the soil needs water. Our aim is to create an easy, affordable and smart technique for water effective farming.
Our system is based on a soil moisture sensor. Soil conducts electricity only when it has moisture. So when the soil is wet, the LED will turn on, and when the soil is dry, the LED will not turn on. It has used very minimal parts and very affordable parts, so anyone can afford it. We haven't used any Arduino, we haven't done any programming in it. It is running on a very simple 9-watt battery with very low cost and beginner friendly.
We have used very less materials required that can be afforded by farmers very easily, and I can show you a small demo of the project that I have made.
In India, 85% of the farmers are small and marginal farmers. Buying expensive sensors, machines and irrigation systems is an easy task for them. But every farmer can afford this because it saves water, it saves electricity, it prevents crop failure and supports sustainable agriculture. This directly contributes to India's goals of doubling farmer income, Jal Shakti Mission, Save Water, Digital and Smart Agriculture and Atmanirbhar Bharat. This tiny device can be the first step toward smart irrigation across rural area.
Today we show a basic prototype, but tomorrow we hope that every farmer should save water. We hope to inspire every youth of India so that we can have Viksit Bharat by 2047. We do not just hope to raise awareness about saving water through our project, but also aim to see a sustainable future for India. At last, by concluding my thoughts, I would like to say it's time for every Indian to work hand in hand with the government and with the economy to focus on India's development. Jai Hind, Jai Kisan and Jai Bharat.
Thank you.